cooking in the hood. You feel me? Like, it's wavy. We cooking in the hood. Like, let me show you a little bit of the operation. Like, let me show you a little something. Word talk, man. Word talk, man. I'm hot up right now. You feel me? I'm about to make some of these jaws right here. You feel me now? You feel me now? I'm about to make some. You feel me? Look at this. Oh, that's cooking in the hood right there. You feel me now? You feel me? My sous chef on the scene. You feel me? We cooking in the hood and all that. You feel me? Ooh, look at that. You feel me? Clean, white kitchen, white do-rag. Come on, white man. Like, come on.
White man.
Slaughter me, nigga.
Nigga, I'm fucking smack right now, B.
Smack what we have to cook. And don't think that's not all the food I got, man. I got food, nigga. Look at that. Pizzas, cheese.
Oh, you see a little Snicker. I'm keep the Snickers on deck at all times.
I might have to steal that in a little bit. You feel me? You know a nigga like Dill get hungry. You know a nigga like Dill. Look at the bacon. Pig fat. Let's go.
Oh, my bacon.
Bacon. Is that ice? Ice trays?
Is that shit, bro?
Look at the ice. Look at the fucking
The meats.
the meat.
Pause.
Pause.
Oh, got me down here.
Oh my god, we got sodas or what?
Juices. No,
Juices.
variety.
Variety.
Oh, look at the chips.
Look at the chips. Not one, but two. Got the paper towels.
No.
Feel me?
Gotta wipe my ass.
My steak's gonna be done. You feel me?
Gotta wipe my asses.
Asses. I don't even wipe my ass no more. My bitch do it for me. Feel me? My bitch wipe my ass for me. Feel me? She wipe my ass for me.
My bitch.
Feel me?
I do my own way.
And this bitch. Alright, let me tell you a story. This bitch put a hickey on my neck. And a hickey on a nigga like me turn out ugly. Look at this shit. It's a hair, yeah. Look at this shit.
Nah, you gotta show that shit.
What, it looks like a vampire bit me. What the fuck is going on with this bitch? So I tell the bitch, fuck you gave me a hickey for. Feel me? I told the bitch, go spend the last of her money that she had on weed. But then I fell asleep on her and didn't answer a phone call when she was gonna come back. And that's my baby mom, because she's gonna have a baby in a couple months. Fuck. She was pregnant. I sent a pregnant lady out to go get some weed, and I ain't, feel me? Oh, shit, I'm going to hell. A nigga like Dill, sipping right now, you feel me? Sipping.
Fucking cranberry juice.
Now there's liquor in here,
I know.
There's liquor in here. And, you feel me? I sip that. Alright. I'm becoming an alcoholic lady. Because I like to drink. You know, you fuck with soldiers like me. You gotta make you think. It's cooking in the hood, so you know I can rap like, hey, look at this nigga with the mohawk. Fresh home off the island, new cut, look at that. And, feel me, follow him on Instagram. You feel me, follow me first, dillbillgotit. Feel me?
Loopy boy and
Loopy.
two eyes and boy.
Loopy boy and two eyes and boy, not one but two. You feel me, ladies? Don't get this whole messed up and shit. You feel me now? I'm just cooling right now, like, feel me? I know I got the fresh John. Got the fresh John. You feel me? Got the fresh John. Fresh John. We the boys. You feel me? We the boys. Yeah. Feel me? Shout out to Slaughtery. Shout out to Flashy Gang doing y'all thing, man.
Oh, nice, man.
Nigga, you in video. This is going up on YouTube. Yo, Vaughn.
Hey, yo, Vaughn. Oh, yeah, I forgot about the other one, my man.
Yo, Vaughn.
This cuffing ass.
Vaughn, it's an emergency. We on the phone call. Feel me? We love them shots at the boys. You feel me?
Shots at the boy with the spatula, you heard? We about to get greasy up in this bitch with the spatula right now.
Feel me? Cooking in the hood. Welcome to our guest star. Come on. This is Cooking in the Hood. You on TV?
Oh no. Say hi to mom. Say hi to your mom.
This is cooking with the
Cooking
hood.
in the hood with Vaughn. Loopy, and I'll kill you. Okay, and
That was very nice.
Bloomberg still don't got it.
We might need that knife for the steak.
Wow.
Yo, Vaughn, we about to eat steak.
Okay, get that right now.
Alright, check it. You feel me? My name is Dill Bloomberg. Yes, I hold it down. I'm a chill dude. Huh. I don't give a fuck about what your bitch think. You already know a nigga like Dill. He switching thing. I'm about to try these new headphones out I got from a Dominicana. And you know they got speakers in the house louder than the Anaconda. Huh? You already know. Like me, I'm a mobster. He got the shit taped up. Now what the fuck is that for? I don't know what's going on, you see. These shits better work lovely. Because I always had a fight with my man LA for them, and you feel me? And that would have been a bad thing. Like, two bits in the can, two cans in the bin.